Predators often have a bad reputation. They are seen as dangerous, ruthless killers that threaten the lives of other animals. However, in reality, predators play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Without them, entire food chains could collapse, leading to overpopulation, habitat destruction, and even the extinction of certain species. In today's video, we will explore how predators shape ecosystems, regulate prey populations, prevent disease spread, and contribute to the overall health of our planet. If you love nature and want to understand how wildlife thrives in harmony, keep watching. One of the most important roles of predators is controlling the populations of their prey. Without predators, certain species would multiply uncontrollably, leading to severe ecological consequences. A well-known example is wolves in Yellowstone National Park. In the early 20th century, wolves were eradicated from the park, leading to an explosion in elk populations. Without a natural predator, elk overgrazed vegetation, destroying forests and grasslands. When wolves were reintroduced in 1995, they naturally reduced elk numbers, allowing trees and plants to recover. This, in turn, improved habitats for birds, beavers, and even fish, demonstrating how predators maintain ecosystem balance. In marine ecosystems, sharks regulate fish populations by targeting the sick and weak. This prevents certain fish species from overpopulating and depleting crucial marine resources. In places where shark populations have declined due to overfishing, prey species like rays have surged in numbers. This highlights how predators prevent chain reactions that can harm an entire ecosystem. It may sound surprising, but predators actually help strengthen the genetic health of their prey. Predators naturally target sick animals carrying diseases, old animals that are past their reproductive years. By removing weaker individuals, predators ensure that only the strongest and healthiest animals survive and reproduce. Over generations, this improves the overall fitness of prey populations. For example, cheetahs hunt the slowest and weakest gazelles, ensuring that future generations of gazelles are faster and more agile. This process, known as natural selection, keeps prey species adapted and resilient. Predators are nature's health inspectors. By preying on sick animals, they prevent diseases from spreading to entire populations. In the African savanna, lions target wounded and diseased antelopes, stopping infections from spreading through the herd. Without predators, diseased individuals would survive longer, infecting others and leading to mass die-offs. In North America, wolves play a crucial role in controlling chronic wasting disease, a deadly neurological disease in deer and moose. By removing infected animals, wolves help keep populations healthier. Predators don't just control prey numbers, they directly influence how ecosystems are structured. As mentioned earlier, when wolves were removed, elk overgrazed trees near rivers, leading to soil erosion and habitat destruction. When wolves returned, they changed the behavior of elk, making them avoid certain areas. This allowed trees like willows and aspens to grow back, stabilizing riverbanks, reducing erosion, and improving water quality. As a result, beavers returned, building dams that created new habitats for fish, amphibians, and birds. This example shows how one predator can reshape an entire landscape. In coastal ecosystems, sea otters are key predators that keep sea urchin populations in check. Without otters, sea urchins multiply rapidly and destroy kelp forests, which are essential habitats for marine life. By preying on urchins, sea otters help preserve underwater forests, benefiting countless species. When predators are removed, ecosystems fall out of balance, leading to serious environmental problems. Without natural predators, prey species can multiply uncontrollably. This leads to food shortages, causing mass starvation, habitat destruction, as too many herbivores eat plants faster than they can grow. Increased human-wildlife conflict occurs as animals enter farms and cities searching for food. For example, in the eastern U.S., the near elimination of wolves and cougars led to a surge in deer populations, which damaged forests and farmlands. A trophic cascade occurs when the loss of a predator triggers a domino effect that disrupts entire ecosystems. Example: in the Caribbean, overfishing of sharks led to an explosion in grouper fish, which then overhunted herbivorous fish. Without herbivorous fish, algae overgrew coral reefs, causing coral die-offs. Many predators are threatened by hunting and poaching, habitat destruction, human-wildlife conflict, and climate change. To protect them, conservationists are working to restore predator populations through rewilding programs, e.g., reintroducing wolves, lynxes, and big cats to their native habitats. Promoting coexistence with humans by reducing conflicts between farmers and predators, banning hunting and poaching of endangered predators, and educating people on the importance of predators in maintaining ecosystem balance are crucial steps. From regulating prey populations to shaping landscapes and preventing disease, they play a key role in the delicate balance of nature. However, human activities threaten many predator species, disrupting ecosystems in ways we may not fully understand. Protecting these animals is not just about saving individual species, it's about preserving the natural systems that sustain all life on Earth, including humans. In the intricate web of life, predators hold a vital yet often misunderstood position. Contrary to their fearsome reputation, these creatures are fundamental to the stability and health of ecosystems, holding the key to preventing overpopulation, maintaining genetic health, controlling diseases, and even shaping landscapes. Without them, the fine equilibrium of nature could unravel, with catastrophic consequences. A dive into the influence of predators such as wolves, cheetahs, lions, otters, and sharks uncovers a world where the presence or absence of these apex creatures governs life across biomes. Predators like the wolves of Yellowstone National Park serve as the quintessential example of how these creatures regulate prey populations. Before their reintroduction in the 1990s, the park's elk population soared, resulting in depleted plant life and disrupted habitats. Once wolves returned, they controlled the elk numbers, allowing trees such as willows and aspens to flourish anew, creating habitats for countless species. Similarly, cheetahs aid genetic health by culling weaker gazelles, ensuring only the fittest survive. This natural selection fosters agility and strength in prey, enhancing adaptability and resilience across generations. By preying on the vulnerable, predators like lions in African savannas or wolves in North America act as nature's health inspectors. They help curb diseases such as chronic wasting disease or infections in antelopes, protecting herds and preventing devastating outbreaks that could precipitate population collapse. The absence of predators can trigger trophic cascades, as evidenced by the collapse of Caribbean coral reefs following the overfishing of sharks. Such losses underscore the far-reaching impacts predators have on resource availability and habitat sustainability. In coastal realms, otters protect kelp forests by controlling sea urchins, preserving critical habitats for marine life. Each predator's presence fortifies ecosystem structures, and their removal often heralds environmental degradation. Current conservation initiatives aim to assimilate predators back into their historical habitats through rewilding and conflict mitigation. These efforts are essential, as human-induced threats like poaching and habitat destruction continue to jeopardize predator populations. Protecting predators transcends the fight to save single species. It preserves the intricate systems that sustain life on our planet. As we face mounting ecological challenges, the conservation and restoration of predator populations are paramount for maintaining nature's balance. Our future depends on recognizing predators not as threats, but as indispensable architects of the natural order, safeguarding ecosystems and all life within them for future generations.